Therefore, I, as Cosmic Enforcer, Watcher of the Universe, shall be their guardian. Henceforth, you, Xanthor, shall travel at my side.
Zadok, I don't know what to say.
Say nothing. Our task is to watch, and it's time we got to it.
Sabbath delight, Sabbath delight. The scripture says, Sabbath delight.
And so as we say goodbye to our dark friends and neighbors, we say hello to a new era of American peace and prosperity.
So do you love him? If you love him, you keep his commandments, just as he said. And he goes on, and he that loveth me shall be loved of my Father, and I will love him and will manifest myself to him. So that's the reason why the chariots are overhead, because we're keeping his commandments. We're showing love to Yahweh Shai, and the Father is showing love back to us. And then the chariots, he manifested himself to us.
Thank you, Yahweh, for coming by. That today is the accurate time, and there is your chariot, big and bold, coming by to look upon me. There he is. Hallelujah. Praise Yahweh for coming by. He's going nice and slow so I can get a good video of him. I read that script.
And it's important for you to understand it because, see, these chariots are not just here that's for show. They're here to deliver. And this reason I put up this tabernacle, keeping these feast days, keeping these commandments, because I want to be delivered from the destruction that's coming. There's chaos that's on its way. There's the wrath of God that's coming down this earth. Meteor destruction, war, fire, and brimstone. And I don't need to go on and on about it. You've heard it all before. Maybe you don't believe it, but I'm here to tell you, as a family member, as a friend, as a brethren, that you need to get ready. I mean, you need to get right with the Most High by keeping His laws and commandments. That's what we're doing. We got the booth, we got the feast. This is the fourth day, and I'm here to also tell you, I'm wearing my fringes. This is also a commandment that we need to be keeping. So I wear my fringes. This is what our people did, and I like to let you guys know that all these chariot activity, these UFOs, these lights in the sky that's been going overhead, is because these are the angels of the Most High Yahweh, and He's searching for His righteous people so He can take them home, so He can deliver them from this captivity and fulfill the promise He gave our fathers. So we're looking up into the sky, and you never know what may come by. Maybe one of the angels may stop by and see and look upon our righteous acts as we keep this holy feast.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Chapter 7.
I am the eye in the sky.